Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss a reaction of synthetic importance, that is Dakin reaction, that is useful for the synthesis of different type of medicinal and chemical compounds. It is also known as Dakin oxidation reaction. That means oxidation occur in this reaction. It involves the oxidation of aryl aldehyde or aryl ketone into phenols. First of all, what is oxidation? Oxidation is defined as the removal of the hydrogen atom or addition of the oxygen atom to the molecule is known as oxidation reaction. Here, oxidation of aldehyde or ketone group occur to the phenol ring. Right? This oxidation is carried out with hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2, in the presence of base. Basic requirement for this reaction is that presence of hydroxyl or amine group at ortho or para position of aldehyde or ketone group. It must be present. Aryl formate or alkanoate, that is ester, are formed as an intermediate in this reaction, and this intermediate after that saponified or hydrolyzed to give substituted phenol product. One example is given here. In aromatic ring, OH group and COR group are attached to para to each other. In R, when R is alkyl group, then it is ketone, and if R is a hydrogen atom, then it is aldehyde. Now this aldehyde or ketone group undergoes Dakin reaction in presence of hydrogen peroxide and sodium hydroxide to form corresponding substituted phenol. Here example of benzene diol, and form byproduct sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Then mechanism. This reaction start with nucleophilic addition of hydroperoxide anion to the carbonyl carbon. See, we know that carbonyl carbon is electropositive carbon, right? When breakdown of carbon and oxygen bond occur, electron of bond goes toward the oxygen atom, so that oxygen acquire negative charge and carbon acquire positive charge. That's why any nucleophile can easily attack to the carbonyl carbon. Here hydroperoxide anion act as a nucleophile and attack on carbonyl carbon and form structure 2. Right? See, in structure 2 there are 3 changes occur. Removal of OH group, right? Arrow shows removal of OH group. OH group will be eliminated in the form of OH minus, and simultaneously phenyl ring migrate to the oxygen. Whole ring migrate to the oxygen from the carbon. And third one is formation of pi bond between carbon and oxygen. Oxygen has the negative charge, that's why it have the electron, and that electron is used to form double bond, that is pi bond between carbon and oxygen, and form the structure 3. Right? Now that is tetrahedral product. 2 is the tetrahedral product, and third is the carbonyl compound. Now hydroxyl group or OH minus again attack to the carbonyl carbon and form the product 4. There is rearrangement occurring 4 structure. What occur? Bond between oxygen and carbon get lysed. Breakdown of this bond occur, and oxygen acquire the electron and negative charge, and simultaneously one acid molecule is formed, that is formic acid, right? And structure 5, that is phenol derivative substituted phenoxide ion. Structure 5 and 6 are in equilibrium, that is phenoxide ion and formate ion. Phenol and formic acid are in equilibrium. Proton transfer of the proton from phenoxide to carboxylate ion occur and form the benzene diol, that is phenol derivative. Next application, Dakin reaction has many useful synthetic application. Here synthesis of different benzene diols and alkoxyphenols can be done, right? First, 2,3-dihydroxyanazole can be prepared. That is the example of alkoxyphenol, right? Alkoxyphenol is anazole derivative. 2-hydroxy-3-methoxybenzaldehyde undergoes Dakin reaction in presence of H2O2 and base and form 2,3-dihydroxyanazole. Likewise, para-hydroxyacetophenone undergoes Dakin reaction and form hydroquinone in presence of H2O2 NaOH in aqueous condition. Right? So hydroxyquinone is the example of the benzene diol. See, now this benzene diol and alkoxyphenol are useful for the further synthesis of different type of chemical compound as well as medicinal compound. For example, hydroquinone is useful for the photograph developing agent. In second example is benzene diol is catechol. Second example of benzene diol is catechol. Catechol can be prepared by using Dakin reaction. Orthohydroxybenzaldehyde undergo Dakin reaction in presence of H2O2 and NaOH and form catechol. This catechol is useful for the synthesis of several compounds including catecholamines and its derivative. We know that catecholamine is important neurotransmitter, right? Then 1,4-tertiary butyl catechol, that is common antioxidant and polymerization inhibitor. Thank you.